my life. You know I'm so rich. Under my balls all the time, different bitches. Money my whole sticks on me. Spending $1,000,000 bills, I'm rich overseas. When I fuck my hoe, she speak French. Money make difference, but it doesn't make me different. I see some people with money get changed. I don't fuck same girl twice. You should know extremely high is my price. My rivals see me, they recall Jesus Christ. Indeed, I'm so fucking far for being nice. What have you done in your age 21? Nothing to be done on your bed, lay down. I made myself London my second home. Now fellas envying as I'm number one. Flying every day on a business class. AMG Mercedes, luxury cars. Dozens of bitches in my house. For your dream life, you know I'm a boss. My background, Chadro streets. Check my flow, nigga, give me some beat. I feel you can't stand on your feet. You better sit down, take your seat. London City, I'm busy, homie. Spain, Mallorca, all eyes on me. Cash rule everything around me. Like homies say, with the best I'm free. If you see me, you better run. My whole fucked up and I'm done. OG in the game, I'm on the throne. Easy E, my name, I'm number one.
Number one. Number one. Number one.
Okay.